Congratulations! You've chosen to protect your family with the most advanced monitoring and recovery system on the market today, FamilyShield. To get started, locate your vehicle's OBD-II port, which is typically found in the driver's side footwell. Consult your vehicle's manual or visit FamilyShieldTracking.com for additional help. Once found, simply plug your FamilyShield device into the OBD-II port. It should slide in and fit snugly. No tools required. The mechanical portion of the setup is now complete. FamilyShield is powered by iGen Networks. To use FamilyShield via your computer, please log into your account at nimbotracking.com with the provided username and temporary password. You can reset and customize the password later for added security. To use FamilyShield on your mobile device, please navigate to the Apple app or Google Play Store. Then search and download the Nimbo Tracking mobile app for your device. Again, search for Nimbo Tracking Mobile and look for the app with the green iGen icon. Once downloaded and logged in, you can begin selecting and customizing the features and alerts you'd like to utilize. You can choose to continue to access FamilyShield via your username and password, or you can set up biometric security. Your vehicle's basic information should be loaded automatically, and if you wish, you can add additional details to customize your profile. Alerts can be toggled on and off, as well as their individual parameters adjusted from the drop-down menus. To set up alerts for your vehicle, tap the bell icon below the map, next to the Share button. For example, you can set a speed alert by simply selecting a desired speed as your threshold from the drop-down menu. Anything above that speed will now trigger an alert. A boundary alert will notify you anytime your vehicle goes beyond the locations you've selected. To set boundary alerts, navigate to the Alerts menu and select Boundaries. You can use Map Click and simply click the location you'd like to set as your boundary, or you can enter a specific address. Once the address is verified, you can set the radius of the boundary, as well as give it a specific name. You can also designate who receives boundary and other alerts and whether they receive them by email or text. Setting up maintenance alerts, like when it's time for an oil change, follows the same process you're now familiar with. If you have questions about settings, features, or user support, you can utilize the in-app help menu for more information or to contact us at 855-912-5378. Congratulations again on choosing to protect your vehicle and loved ones with FamilyShield.